Hey, hey, hey.
Hi.
Oi. Oh
Hello.
my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's bizarre, man. I'm actually hearing you like beside me here.
Do that to me. Do that to me.
How do I do that? Just
Nah.
change seat. So I'll change seats here if I move to over there. Okay. There you go.
Hey.
Cool. Well, this is our new office, you can see that we got a Vortex extra lab over there, the logo.
Hoi. Gila. Macam mana you
Yeah.
buat ada 3D ke situ? Is it 3D?
I guess
Ke just like a...
when I uploaded it kind of like pops out a little bit.
Dia
Naturally
PNG
3D.
je actually, is it?
Yeah, it's a PNG. It has to be a PNG file. Then
Hmm.
behind us, we change seat, right? Let's see, we just change seat over
Okay.
there. You can see our nice family photo.
Tu lah.
So, yeah, that's our nice family photo there. That's the launch. See Prof. Pradeep and everybody else there. How do I draw and stuff?
Oh, dekat sebelah desk whiteboard ni ha. Set up the desk whiteboard.
Set at the desk whiteboard.
And then you have to kind of like draw a
Whiteboard and
circle on the
desk.
floor.
Yeah, got it. Reset. I got to reset the whiteboard now, basically. Realign.
Like 2.
This is tricky.
So kelakar gila when you're in pass-through mode. I can see you like in Zen.
Yeah, okay, got it. Good to go. Yeah. So, yeah.
Meja tak besar.
Yeah, sama lah. I have to push my keyboard to the front. Okay. So this is a demonstration, everyone. Me here. So this is our meta office. This is Faisal and me. So we are trying to show you how that collaborating in Horizon Workrooms by Meta is amazing thing, because we could set the desk here, and I'm an avatar, and I'm actually I'm able to interact with my desk. So here I'm just going to say hello. Oh, hello. Yep. So I just wrote hello on the board, so I could sketch. Yep. Since Faisal is drawing stars, I'm just gonna draw little planets.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can select.
Yeah.
Oh, ni just pen. Oh, I can like use certain parts of the table on the whiteboard.
Yeah. Yeah. I noticed that I got to reset the table thing. So in order to, I can't really reach at every part of the table though.
You can ni. When you select the select button, you have the pen, you have
Uh-huh.
the eraser, and you have the select. When you press the select, there's a
Ah.
like a yeah draggable scrollable bar here, and you can
Oh
like
yeah,
choose
yeah, yeah, yeah.
which part of the
Oh, got it. I
whiteboard you
get
want
it.
to draw on.
Got it. Oh, right. So I can go beyond the limit. Nice one. Okay.
The
So there you
limitation
go.
is the whole whiteboard itself.
Yeah. So I could do this.
Oh, you can zoom in. Ooh.
Fascinating.
Oh,
So you
you
can
boleh
see that
zoom.
we are experimenting with this. We could zoom in. Gosh, yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. So we can actually like co-create something here. You could draw mind maps. Let's try to draw a mind map. I'm gonna I'll draw a flowchart or something. And moving down. Then moving down here. Cool. Um, yep, yep. Little arrows here, yeah, yeah. Then going down here. Right. So plus, minus, go here. That's right. And yeah, Faisal just put a sticky note there, like indicating something to take note of over there.
Mm-hmm.
So you see this is how a meeting can be done. And we've got this table currently have 1, 2, 3, 4 seats. And that's a video screen right there that's appearing right there. That video screen is for those who's for example not using a headset. They can join it. They can join through video.
True, true.
Yeah. But if they have a
Can we
headset,
turn on
then
the fan? There's
yeah,
a fan
I
there.
don't. But I
It
didn't see any
annoys me that
switch
it
here.
stays static.
I don't know. Hey, do you realize that there are a couple of switches at the back there? I think
Switches?
yeah, you see below the
Oh,
bookshelf.
down there.
Yeah, down there.
Uh-huh.
There, I don't know what those buttons. I don't think we can stand over there, can
No,
we?
I don't think so.
No, we won't.
No, it doesn't allow us like because like this particular experience is kind of like limiting you to just to your seat. You're
Yeah,
not allowed to like walk about freely lah. But it
that's
is
right.
kind of like interesting that at least like because for a like a meeting when you session, professional setting, you want to make sure that like everybody like stay put lah,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
rather than just like mess about, right? So you can
Yeah,
only mess about within your place at the very least,
that's
so it
right.
remains like a professional setting lah. Because like if you compare this to like VR chat ke apa, right? You
Yeah,
are like standing around, you can literally be like anywhere you want,
yeah, moving
but
about and
there is
everything.
no right. There's less moderation lah.
Yeah. And what's interesting about here is like the interaction seemed to be quite seamless. There are moments
Yeah,
that I forget I'm wearing a headset because when I'm seeing you talking, I can see your mouth talking.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah.
can see your mouth moving, your
Mouth,
eyes
mouth, mouth.
kind of blinking. Yeah. Yeah, it's yeah. Do I look creepy or
At the
something?
very least, like we can, I think we can change our avatar, right? Or we need to exit the room
We
to edit the avatar.
I don't know. Can we? Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
apparently
yeah. We need
we
to.
need to we need to kind of like go out to edit your avatar, so you kind of
Yeah,
like
yeah,
create your avatar first, and then you come back here or
yeah.
something.
So yeah, I'm kind of seeing myself here. It's very interesting when you click on avatar in the settings, you can actually see yourself.
Yep.
Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I'm kind of happy with how I am really. I think not sure whether the brown is the right brown. I think the hair. I got to change my hair color. The hair seemed to be like a dark brown, but that's okay.
I just wish like because like this application doesn't work with apa, it tracks the hand. You
It
can use this
does.
without the controller, but
Hmm.
you
Let's
are
try it.
like limited to the at least like can you see my hands right now?
Yeah, I can see your hands, and yeah, I can do this with my
And
hands as well.
this I I can
Yeah,
put like
I could
one
I could
1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah, say one,
Car
2, 3, 4, 5.
car alah, I tak boleh because dia dekat belakang. I cannot do the pose.
I can do this.
Car
I
cannot.
can do this. I can do this.
Yeah,
I can do
you can
this.
do everything as long as you can see your hand lah.
Yeah. Like
As long as you can see your hand, it's okay.
yeah.
Well, I want to do the gyaru pose. I cannot do the gyaru pose because that's like you have to
this
bend
oh this is
backwards.
this is called a gyro pose. So, but it's interesting that it
Gyar
the hand articulation is pretty good, you know, and that's the great thing
Yep.
about Quest. I think this is be a good selling point. Um,
Right. I can judge you virtually like this.
So
Excellent.
see, I do the live long and prosper sign. There you go. Oh, it doesn't work so well.
Oh, cannot.
Ah,
Cannot.
that's
Cannot.
damn. I
Was
gotta
it?
complain to Mark here. Come on.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I know, right?
Kita lagi eh?
Ah, that sucks. Come on, you gotta do the live long and prosper sign here. Oh, couldn't do it.
I can do the Matt Hardy pose lah.
What is that? Oh, that
Oh. Huh? Hardy Boys.
Hardy Boys.
Team Extreme.
So yeah, you can't overlap the fingers. Like say, I'm trying to overlap. If I do
Oh,
the West symbol, like Snoop Dogg's.
too sweet.
Wait, yeah, he doesn't.
Oh, I cannot lah.
I can't
Alright, there's
overlap
no.
the. Yeah. Oops.
Too sweet. I can too sweet. Too sweet.
Cool. So like this is also a good opportunity. I mean, want to try change different room environment or something?
Avatars. Ah, a room.
Room environment.
Yeah, we have like a few right customized.
Yeah, we got a customized room.
Let's try for presentation. Although this is meeting, right? Let's
Ah,
try the
interesting.
conversation lah.
Try the presentation mode. Best for
Let's
presentation.
try
Okay.
conversation.
Okay, you go ahead.
So now we are in the
Oh.
conversation.
Ah, okay.
So it's kind of like a more rounded table, but it allows still for people. Is it because does it based on the number of um how many people in our team? Because we
Could
have like
be.
4 people in a team, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Because I've seen from here,
Mm-hmm.
you can see like from the customized room, there's like options. You can see like there's like 8 or like more maybe. Is that the limitation or not?
Yeah, you see,
Because right now we can only see 4. So if you have like 6 or 7, it might change lah the punya layout
this is
to
a
fit everybody.
conversation. But I think you could meeting. Alright. It says resize table. Reduce the size of the table to fit group. Or does
But you
that?
cannot adjust, right?
I
No
think
room to
can lah.
resize the table.
I think boleh.
Reduce the size of the table to fit the group.
Hmm.
I think because like itulah dia kena ada ramai orang lagi. If there's more people,
Ah,
then you
that's
can do that.
right. That's right. That's right. I think if
Because
there's
right now
more,
there's no point of resizing because
yeah, there's no point because it's just two of
if we
us.
want to resize, yeah, unless we want to resize it to something more intimate lah.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. I think if there's like 15 people here, then it automatically will create a table to fit 15 people, right? I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah.
And if there's less
So we
people,
want to
so I
dia
guess
akan
it's just as,
dia adjust accordingly lah.
I suppose, yeah. So yeah, this is good
So this
stuff.
is the
Good stuff.
conversation. Let's try the presentation.
Ah,
So
this is the presentation mode.
so presentation it looks like this lah. So memang this
Mm,
is a crit session lah.
that's
So
right.
let's say basically you are you are the judge.
Uh-huh.
You're like the panel or whatnot.
Yep.
So I will need to go to the room whiteboard, but I need to I can send this physically. I need to set a room whiteboard lah basically. Turn to
You
face the
going,
whiteboard.
you zend out.
Oh well, it's over there. I don't want it there. Find a safe space. Let's not. Oh, I don't want it to be there. I want it to be here.
So
Confirm position. And then move to the whiteboard. So I'll be moving to the whiteboard now. Continue. So
how
hello.
did you do that?
Ah, I went to the whiteboard basically. So I can
Right.
still like flip the control. Yeah, I got it. So I can still use
Excuse me.
the presenter tools are still here with me. So let's say I'll delete this. I'll delete padam papan hitam.
Mm-hmm.
It's like we need to hire like interns to just like padam the papan hitam for us like this. So my present And if I wanna go anywhere, oh, I can move, but I can only move to a designated area. And now I'm here.
Right. Right.
So this is exhibit A.
Yeah.
This is exhibit B.
Yep.
And then like
Exhibit C.
over here. Ada Arya ke bawah ke? Ah, Arya. Jangan. Okay, dia duduk situ.
That's your cat.
Yes, my cat is down here. And this is exhibit C. So I can
Right.
basically utilize this whole as long as I can reach lah up and down.
Fascinating.
I can do like
How are you? Oh, yes. Basically, you are mapping your whiteboard to another surface on the
to an
wall
empty space.
into an empty space.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I
Right.
like that the fact that when I'm not looking at you, I literally would hear you less because you're coming from behind me.
Interesting.
So I was like, I can still literally like turn my back to you, like no, 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 not listening, no. The guy in the video would be here lah, so that
Hmm.
everybody can see.
Yeah.
I'm curious about like what does he sees, you know?
Yeah.
Right. Is because I don't think he will be, because in this setting,
Yeah.
he should be able to choose if he's a presenter or he's a panel, you know?
Yeah. I think
Right.
maybe
If he like,
yeah. I don't know whether he can move his position or not. Because this person will
we
probably
cannot move
going
him
to
now.
be accessing through the desktop and not sure whether they would be able to move um reposition themselves. So I don't
Tu
know.
lah. Oh, Jill. Oh, lolo, Jill. Jill.
It looks like you're playing with
Oh,
some
lolo.
invisible thing down on the floor.
Yes, my cat is down here. Which you will not see in a Zoom call. Kalau Zoom call, you will literally see that, but now you're seeing it differently.
Yeah,
If I
absolutely.
select, apa jadi I can, oh, I can do this. So like this, if I use the select tool, basically I use like,
A pointer,
yeah,
something like
yeah, my cat is on my table.
a laser pointer.
I need to, I need to go back to my desk. Arya, Uzil.
And we see
Yeah,
if
I
you.
teringat like that one that you remember there was that one game yang game show lah.
Mhm.
That you have to maneuver a metal bar
Yeah, 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 yeah,
through a metal, and then if you touch the metal you get electrocuted.
yeah, yeah.
Hey, there's a seat over there.
Where?
Hey,
Where? Oh, yeah. There's a
I
seat.
can be here. I'm the game master. I'm the head lecturer, or like I'm the
You're the
no, no,
presenter.
no, no. You imagine like no, you imagine like Lojana's class, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
She would be here, right? She would be
Yeah,
here invigilating
yeah,
the students handling the session, right?
yeah.
You have
Correct.
a spot here,
Yep.
right? You as well, you do simulations with your students. You will
Yeah,
be here.
yeah, yeah. I probably. I mean, yeah. I think that that's very useful if you're going to be giving a speech or you're going to be presenting your ideas or you just hey look, have you tried putting slides up there? Can we put slides up there? So maybe you
That
could.
one you need to connect to your remote. You need to
Oh,
connect your remote PC. And my PC that connects with this account is VORTEX PC lah. I
right,
haven't like turned on the AnyDesk over there.
right.
If I connected to my AnyDesk
Computer.
initially,
Hmm.
no, because because previously I was using my iPad, the iPad. Now I'm running the Oculus punya app because it doesn't support the
Right.
browser on here. So I
Yeah,
cannot run the
yeah, yeah.
AnyDesk application on top of that as well lah, unless this is a desktop lah or a
Yeah.
laptop.
Yeah.
The
Apparently this
the
one.
Taylor's punya laptop makin lembab lah.
uh, but I think we can get ICT to upgrade it. I'm sure.
Yeah, my laptop dah makin lembab gila. I cannot like, I open up YouTube pun lembab gila. Even like just now, I was trying to open up Google Maps pun it was
Is it?
like
It's
really
lagging, is it?
that bad lah. Very
Buffering.
very like
I'm trying to see if I could connect with the Oculus desktop thing, so I could access slides or something.
you turn on the desk pass through.
And yeah, and
Oh,
yeah.
echo.
So if I stop sharing, so if I'm reconnecting to my, so that's the problem if I connect it to my PC, because the voice, the sound is duplicated. So I gotta figure something out
Yeah,
on that
you
one.
just like minimize the sound on that device. Same with what I'm doing with my iPad lah. I just like
Mm.
minimize the volume there.
The tricky part about this is I didn't mute the desktop sound on the Oculus casting window. So if I mute the desktop
Ha.
sound, then if I press record on OBS, it won't pick up my voice and our conversations.
Itulah.
So there's a tricky bit, there's got to be some kind of audio configuration that we got to figure out, so that we will, it's just more like plug and play. It's easier in future, but I haven't figured that out. We need the audio person who can figure this out for us. So I think for now, there's always something to do with our mic input. So there's an input from the Oculus Quest mic, and then there's I made sure that I switch off my other mics and I disable those in OBS, things like that, in order to make sure that. But the thing is, even the mic in the Oculus is enabled, but on OBS, the Oculus audio is not picking up any signal, but the desktop one is picking up signal from the casting window. So that's how we're listening. That's how the recording is picking up. So it's a bit complex. There's a complex setup on this one. It's just I think that there are a lot of guides. Just the other day, I saw something on YouTube on this one. So I'm just going to study that further. So it's just a matter of really getting used to it. You're drawing Godzilla.
That's supposed to be a raccoon. Like the chill hop, the
Wow.
lo-fi chill hop
Wow.
raccoon.
Oh
Of
yeah, that's not
walking. You know?
that's not a raccoon. That's a
Ah,
badger. That's a badger.
the way lah masupil lah. But it's basically that lah.
Yeah. So this I'm giving a crit on design. So the composition, if it's within this frame, looks quite balanced, but you can tell that the marsupial is the dominant object of this entire composition. So therefore, that was his intention, and yeah. So I'm giving a crit on design. So anyone can sketch stuff and paste sticky notes. I wonder if they can import images.
You can. But needs to connect. Either you want to upload the files in the headset itself, or
Right.
I think like from the computer lah.
Yeah, from the computer.
If you're connected to your computer,
Yeah.
you can basically add pictures from the computer.
Yeah, you're right. It says open on computer. But that's the thing I'm afraid of, that sound thing. I don't know why does it do that.
If so basically I can upload pictures, I can write notes, but if I want to I cannot send you that documents per se. That one basically, it's like I'm opening my browser within here lah, basically, because I'm accessing my PC, right? So I can do that on my PC lah, basically.
Yeah.
But through here.
So let's say if I wasn't recording it, then I guess, or I minimize, I put that screen in a separate place, separate thing, or just minimize that screen, then I could open up the desktop and then it won't affect, I suppose. So the images are actually saved here because you took a screenshot of that whiteboard.
I save the
Mm,
file. I can basically like export the thing.
mm,
So that is something that we can do.
yeah, it does say upload images
But
from your computer.
so you have like online a lot of people in there. Unless
Mhm.
you can, they need to create like a private channel for voice lah.
Right, right. So, okay, that's all for our experiment. Let's do a high five again. Nice.
Woo!
Let's try a high 10.
I think.
Nice. Okay. All right, man. I'll see you in Xanadu short, in a bit.
Okay, see you.
See ya. Bye. Peace.
I can do that. Definitely.
All right, let's exit
Where
workrooms.
am I?
Might need to edit this video. Okay.